coaches in football, baseball's got a few. The pitcher got $1 million and the quarterback, he got $2. Pitcher threw his arm away and the quarterback ruined his knees. And this they did so they could live the American dream. Now there are some preachers on TV with a suit and a tie and a vest. They want you to send your money to the Lord, but they give you their address. 'Cause all of your donations are completely tax-free. God bless you all, but most of all, send your money. Do you really want it?